Hi, this is Arlene and you're watching Durian ASEAN TV. We have our guest here, Ratna Osman. She's the Executive Director of Sister in Islam. Today, she's going to share with us the rights of Muslim women under the Sharia law.
In Islam, the rights of women have always been clear since the 7th century when the Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. Rights have been given to women that was unheard of in the medieval period. Right to inheritance, right to do your own contract, right to even divorce your husband, the right to education, and to participate in development of social and economy. Unfortunately, today when we talk about Islamic law, we talk about Sharia, especially hudud, then the whole misconception that this is divine and that women needs also to be then women are required to go through a set of very unfair or unjust concept of Sharia law. For example, the very idea of protection for women in Surah An-Nisa on the law of qazaf or slander, which was revealed in Quran, talking about protection of women. If you don't have proof, you cannot slander a chaste woman, and otherwise you'll be punished with 80 lashes. Now that very protection has been turned around and said that if under the hudud law, if a Muslim woman claim that she has been raped and she is unable to produce 4 witnesses, then she is to be lashed. So this is one of the a lot of other examples under the Sharia law that the strict or very narrow patriarchal interpretation of the law that has left Muslim women especially to open to violation and discrimination. The rights of them to be a witness is also not fully respected. And these are the things that we are calling for to understand what exactly is Islamic law, what is exactly is Sharia. Because when you talk about Sharia, the very term is actually a definite message, divine message from Quran. But the understanding of Sharia today is completely different. They claim that it is God's law, they claim that it is God's divine law, but all over the Islamic world, all over the Muslim countries, you have different sets of Islamic law, different sets of punishment because of choosing different sets of juristic opinion. So it is not exactly word for word a divine message from God. It's human interpretation, human exercise to understand God's word, and then it's being codified and passed and implemented and said that this is from God. So it is a very inaccurate definition of what Sharia is. It is actually Islamic jurisprudence, and it is open for discussion, it's open for debate, and it's open for the people's participation on what is the ultimate objective, which is to achieve justice.
Durian ASEAN